we got the Murray, as you guys saw. We got the transmission brackets all welded. We got the body on. It is just completely bolted on. It wasn't the last video. We got most of the clutch done. We got the motor on. I'm going to do something different about the exhaust. I'm going to put a straight top right there back on it. We got fuel line hooked up, fuel tank in. No shroud for right now because who needs it? The seat's not on. We've got, as you guys saw me weld, we've got 18-inch mud tires on the back of it, really wide ones. Houston, you got gas? Did you get the fold for me, Houston?
Yeah.
How much is in there? A little bit. Just enough to run it.
No.
Yeah, just enough to run it.
Just enough to run it, make sure it runs good.
I'm not even going to have a throttle cable hooked up. I'm just going to man the throttle by hand.
My hand on this fucking gas.
Excuse your potty mouth. My girlfriend's mom's going to be watching this.
Buddy.
Ready? Take this. Push out. Put as much in there as you can. Shake the gas jug around and everything. Already empty? How much is in the tank? Is it all? Is it? There's a little hole in there where. Oh, it's well over the hole. Let me see how much is in there. Is it getting fuel inside that hole? Yep, it's getting fuel inside that hole. Plenty of it. So, if you want, we can grab that booster pack real quick.
One hole.
Here, I'm gonna set the video up somewhere so we can get
Back over here only.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a good angle of it. No cuts or nothing. Oh yeah. Okay. Right there. Perfect. Set there perfectly. Trying to set you guys on a milk crate on a three-legged midget, so. Houston, that's what I call a tripod. Three-legged midget. I'm gonna be so excited if it it actually runs. Alright, so take that in if you can and plug it into that extension cord. Turn this on. Boost. I left it out in the rain on accident. Hopefully it's still good. Yep, it's good. Buzzing, buzzing. Not buzzing, buzzing. I said buzzing, buzzing. Okay. Put that there. Think it'll run off of that. I'm gonna be jumping up and down crazy if it runs. Yeah! Yes.
Well, it runs though. It runs.
I was afraid of holding it wide open, especially since the flywheels are known for exploding on these.
They really are. They're known for it.
Yeah, because they just, how RPMs they do that, and I had my hand right beside it. Could have very easily took my hand off, but
yeah.
Or killed both of us.
Yeah.
But hey, it runs.
Hey, it runs good.
Did you see the flames it was shooting?
Yeah, yeah.
That is so worth it.
Yeah.
In reality, all this thing needs is that back tire put on, and needs a belt put on, and kill switch hooked up. We can drive it.
And that will be ready for tomorrow.
Well, I'm not gonna do the back tire tonight. We're gonna
I
wait
ain't
till
doing.
You ain't doing no more than that? Yeah. You can unplug that battery booster if you want now. Holy shit. Did you see it whenever I was trying to rev it? What it would do is it would suck itself open.
I know.
Because of the vacuum going through. It sucked the valve open on its own and it tried to run away on me, but I caught it. I let go of the throttle for a second. Because all it is just a flappy little thing right here right now. As the air goes through here, it just pulls it open as wide as it'll go.
Yeah.
I'm so glad that we got that done and over with. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess this is the end of this video, isn't it?
I mean, yeah, tonight. I mean, you want to do more than that?
I'm gonna do more. I don't know if you are. You can go in if you want. I'm gonna finish this thing out.
I mean,
I'm
really, all we're doing.
gonna wire it up tonight too and put a solenoid battery. Start by the key.
Yeah.
To where you just hop on it, push the clutch in, turn the key. I want to do something tighter about the clutch. Because it's just like, oop, you know, I want to put a better spring on it. It wouldn't work right like that.
Yeah. I guess I'll get out here with you.
Is that monster done?
I got a couple more nights to it.
We can probably get one of my mom's double shots if she'll let us drink it. Okay, you know what? I forgot this is video. Sorry. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It took a shit ton of work to do, by the way, so please share it. Please like it. Bye.